Hi, Sudha. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being our brand ambassador and availing of the special offer service. So, Sudha, you went through a career counseling session with our career counselor, Neha. How did
Yes,
you find it, and what did you learn about yourself through the session?
it was good, ma'am. Ma'am teach us how to deal with the current scenario
Yes.
related to the interview and the job role.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
And,
And yes, go ahead. Yes, Sudha.
and it helps us to improve our performance also.
Okay, that's great. So, along with the career counseling session, you must have also seen that there was a resume builder on your student portal. What
Yes, ma'am.
feedback do you have for us for the resume builder section?
Ma'am, in my point of view, the format they provided in the resume builder is very good
Okay.
because as a student, we didn't have much idea about that.
Yes.
What was the perfect format would be. That's why it is a
Thank
good
you.
option. It is a good option for us.
Thank you so much for your feedback. And in fact, do you think we can even do better to build it much better? And do you have, kind of any feedback on where we can improve ourselves with respect to that?
As such, no, ma'am, but only the network connection I feel because sometime in online class
Yes.
we get disturbed because of that.
Okay. All right. And how has your overall experience been with the online training, Sudha? And how did you come to know about our website?
Ma'am, I came to know from one of my cousin brother, and my experience is very good. The trainers are very good. They educate us on the real life basis
Yes.
that we are going to face if we get a job or we go for an interview. That's why.
Okay, great. And how do you think this program, Sudha, has changed you as a person?
Yes, ma'am. It's of course change as a person because it helped me to improve in the real life
Yes,
situation that we
yes,
are going to face if we want to work or we go for interview. They train
yes.
us according to their job role that we are going to face.
Sudha, you mentioned a very valid point that how do you get, prepared and work
Yes, ma'am.
ready in a real
Yes, of
life
course.
situation,
Yes, ma'am.
especially in today's world. So that is something which you've
Hmm.
learned, and it's really enlightening and it's great to hear that.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you, and tell me, which part of the course did you find the most interesting?
Ma'am, the activity that the trainer give and
Yes,
the assessment that we get in the student portal is very interesting because it helps us to improve our performance, what we are learning or
yes.
not. That
Okay, and overall, how did you find our Learn by Yourself module?
it is also very interesting, ma'am, because it guide us or teach us that how to be how to be
Yes,
mm, so what to say how to be prepared
yes,
and
yes.
how to be professional at work,
Okay, okay.
and how
Very,
to remove accidents and all that.
okay, okay, great. And do you have any feedback for us in terms of improving our training quality and getting even better going ahead?
Yes, ma'am, only about the network connection because we face lot of problem because
Yes,
of
I
that.
can understand. Okay,
That's all. Otherwise it
okay.
was very good.
Would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends and relatives, Sudha?
Yes, ma'am, of course I will recommend because it train us for the future that school or college we get the knowledge of book, but the real interview needs a confident and personality that trained us here.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Sudha, for joining me. Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you for being our valued customer. We hope you enjoyed your overall program and the special offer service provided to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best, Sudha, in your future endeavors. I'm sure you will do well. Take care, stay healthy, stay safe.